I've never actually used this shade right here. Let's do it. Hi, my name is Michelle. Today I'm gonna create this look with my Pat McGrath Subliminal palette. So this is what my palette looks like. This is what, right here, this is what my palette looks like. I hope you could see. I'm pretty sure this was the first one. This is the Subliminal palette. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, as per usual. And I am getting ready to go out. So I want to do a really, really pretty look for the night. I am going to put on some sparkle. Okay, so I've got my eyes primed and I'm ready to get started. I'm going to start off with a really fluffy brush in this really pretty, soft, cool tone matte right there. This is the perfect crease color for me personally. I am going to go out in this look, but I don't want to make it too crazy. I just want to make it really pretty and wearable for the night. So this is where we're starting off in the crease. So far, so good. I'm going to take a slightly smaller, more tapered brush, and I'm just going to build up that crease a little bit by dipping into this shade here. And I'm going to try to keep that focused in this outer edge, just for my little bit of smoke. Kind of like that. I don't want to get too carried away and lifting it up too high and getting too dramatic. I just want to keep it really soft and wearable where it doesn't like overpower my eye, the size of my eye for tonight. I don't want my eyes to be too dark, so I'm going to be in a dark setting. I usually like a really dark eye when I'm going to be out in the bright light because you can appreciate the beauty of it. But when I'm going to be in a really dark setting, I try to go for a slightly lighter, brighter look just to make the eyes really visible so they don't like completely get closed off in the darkness. Okay, so that's where we're at so far. Really soft and simple. I'm going to take that first brush and just blend those together really nicely. Soften up those edges. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is take some more of the taupe all over the lid. Okay. Just to give a light background for the Blitz shade that I'm going to use. Okay, so I've got the taupe all over the lid and the edges smoked out. Now let's do some glitter glue. I didn't even do any blush yet. I'll save the blush for when I'm done with the eye look so I can know kind of what colors to use. And for this Blitz shade of here on the lid, or the inner corner area. Okay. I went in with, I'll show you what shade I used in just a second, but let's go in here and just put this down all over that taupe. Oh my God, look at that. That's it right there. Just a really pretty simple but sparkly eye look. We'll finish off the details in a minute, but this is the basic gist of it. I'm gonna do the other eye now. And then we'll go ahead and do the final touches. Like that final blending and the shaping out of the edges and all that. Let me just get this glitter glue on and we'll play with some more of that sparkle. Here we go. Here's the magic again. Ready? Oh my God. Let's build it up some more. This is dry, okay? I haven't even sprayed it. I'm gonna take a little bit of the black for the outer quarter. See the dramatics that added? I like that a little bit more. I feel like I need a little bit more of an accent on the lower lash line. Also, it'd be helpful if I could see. Okay, here's the final look with just the eyeshadow. Let me show you what shades I used in total. I used this shade, this shade, that shade, and these two shades. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really? Yeah, I used 5 shades. I feel like we could probably do something a little bit more. Let's just build up some more blitz while we're here for some fun. I've never actually used this shade right here. Let's do it. She glittery. I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna put it more towards the inner corner. Oh my God. Did you see what that did right there? Just want to make sure none of that falls into my eye. Okay. Wow, that's pretty. Let's try that again. Here we go again. Just for like the slightest. Yeah, that might have been a little bit too intense actually. I feel like it's taking over the lilac one. Let's try a fluffier brush and let's spray it. That one that we first used, and I'm just gonna bring that back out and accentuate it a little bit more intensely. Ooh, yeah, that's it. That's it right there. I like it, I guess. Just gonna go in with a little bit of this colored blush. This is in Cherish. This is Cherish. Ooh. I love how this blush has just the slightest bit of sheen. So for like during the day, if I'm doing a real natural look, I don't feel the need to use a highlighter with this, but because I am gonna go out tonight, I am gonna do a highlighter. I feel like it's only appropriate that I use a Pat McGrath highlighter. So I'm gonna go in with the one that's here. This is my one of my few Pat McGrath highlighters. I do have a new one that I hauled that I haven't used yet, and I'm gonna do that in an upcoming video, which is gonna be a full face of brand new Pat McGrath. So stay tuned for that. Oh my God. This highlighter is no joke, okay? I don't know if you can even see it right there. All right, so here's the finished look. Let me know what you think. It's nothing really that spectacular or revolutionary. I mean, I didn't use this shade here or this really dark, or this really dark satin. No, this one. I don't even know. You saw what I used. I like the look. I feel like I get a lot of looks that turn out like this with this palette. I feel like this is like the go-to look that I get with this palette, even though I did use one of the Blitz that I hadn't used before. So I feel like I don't get a whole lot of range out of this palette so far, but that just might be the way I use it. So I still need to explore it some more and see what kind of variety of looks I can get with it. So yeah, I've got to get going. I'm going to head out the door. That's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to click the thumbs up. It really does help my channel out so much. And be sure to subscribe so we can hang out again. I'd like to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you could help me do that, I would really appreciate it. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.